While creating your Facebook page, you may have picked the wrong category for your business, so you'll want to change this. The most common issue I see with clients is that they start their Facebook page as just a brand or product, but as their company grows, they end up opening up a brick and mortar store. So therefore, it is now a local business with an address. So this requires a change in the category from brand or product to local business. So to change your Facebook page category, simply head over to your page and click the About tab. Then click the Edit Page Info link on this About page. As you can see, my client launched this Facebook page as a brand/product. So under the Categories option, just click X next to this current product/service. Then search for and replace it with the page category you want. For this example, we want to add our new store address to this Facebook page and change this page from a brand page to a physical local business page. So I search for local business, click it, and then click the Save Changes button. Once you click Save, nothing happens. The Edit Details box looks the exact same. This is fine. Just click the Close box and refresh your browser. Once refreshed, click that Edit Page Info link again, and now we can input our local business address and add all the other options available to a local business category, such as business hours, store phone number, and more.